Hi guys, it's Jen. So, I got my boxy charm today. I just literally went and got it right now. Not open or anything. Okay, so let's break into this bad boy. It came really late this month, so I'm so eager to see what I got. Because I've been watching other videos and what other people got. Nugget, you want to say hi? Come here, Nugget, you want to say hi? Come here. Come here. Say hi to the camera. Come here. This is a little Nugget. This is a little Nugget. It's a little Daisy. Look at you. You're so cute. Yeah. I just got off work. So close. Let's see. What do we have in here? So I got the card. Sugar is sweet, but the box with this box is sweeter. And it doesn't have anything on it. Okay, first, I knew I was gonna get these, and then the Makeup Geek eyeshadows. So mine are both, they look normal. Let's see. Take this out. Let me take this out. Oh, it comes in a little thing. Can you see the color of that? Okay. I'll swatch it. Oh, I like the feel of this. It's like a match my birthday dress. You can't really see it on my hand. It's like right there. But it's really soft. I really like that. Next one. Let's see. I got a cupcake and a, what's this one? Shimma. Yeah, okay. Let's see, cupcake. What does this away? Cupcake. This looks like a blush to me. Yeah. Rip my pants. Can you see? This is the eyeshadow, and this is the one I have. It's kind of like a pink. It looks like a lot like a blusher look to me. But what do I know? Nothing, apparently. Next, we got the Luxe brush. And this is small contouring for like here and here. Let's see, Luxe brush, number 512. See it? Yeah. It's very soft. Next, we got perfume. Let's see. Because in my Birchbox, I got a perfume. It's not like fucking vanilla. I look like I want to smell like a cupcake all day. No, not really. But let's try this. It's from CM Style de Paris. I could wear this, but it's fruity. It's kind of fruity smelling. I don't know why there's a light right there. Kind of annoying though. And then I got the Clark's Botanicals Anti-Puff Eye Cream. Let's see if it smells like anything. Lately, I've been liking to smell everything. All I can smell is a perfume right now. I'm assuming put it right here. Right here. And then when I wake up and I won't have wrinkles. Isn't that fucking amazing? I'm just kidding. Don't listen to me. I'm just being silly. Then I have an eyebrow color. Let's see about this. I don't know. I'm going more blonde. My eyebrows aren't even done right now, but yeah, I'm going more blonde for my birthday next week. So this might not work in my eyes. I don't know how to open this like this. It's magic. It's open. Almost. So then you peel that off, and you peel this part off, and then you take the plastic off. And then you got, and this brand is Cella. So then I'm gonna, can you tell? Not really right now, but cool, it's this color. I don't wear it, I will definitely pass it on to my bestie. And guys, that is all in my box. My boxy charm. I will be back. Goodbye. Have a great day.